We are first Rochdale Scout Group and we have been working with groundwork and the National Flood Farm to gain our Environment Partnership Award. We started our project by finding out what causes flooding, how we can stay safe during a flood, what things we should take with us and what we should leave behind.
Using our map reading skills, we worked out if our homes were within the town's flood risk area.
Our scout fort is within the Wardleworth flood risk area of Rochdale.
We want to help our community, so we have become river stewards of a section of the River Roach.
The scout section of the river runs alongside the houses with cellars and allotments, which will be flooded if the river bursts its banks. The other side of the river is owned by the Forestry Commission and is used as a floodplain. We drew sketches of the riverbank using landmarks to help us to gauge whether the river level is higher or lower when we next visit.
The Beaver Scout section of river carries on from the Scout section and flows next to a supermarket car park. Then it goes under a bridge on its way towards Rochdale town centre. We check that the silt which has built up under the bridge isn't stopping water from flowing freely and that rubbish in the river isn't causing a blockage.
The club section of river runs from the other side of the main road, alongside another car park and around the back of Rochdale Council offices.
There is a slipway which was used to get emergency vehicles on the water side. There is a water height gauge on the side of the wall which we can use to help us.
If we see something that we are worried about, such as large pieces of rubbish in the river, we can contact the Environment Agency and they will send someone out to investigate. Some of us went to a flood awareness activity day at Ashworth Valley campsite.
We were shown a model to explain how building structures in a river can make flooding worse, or in some cases help to ease the flow of water. We even got to make our own paper boats to see how far they would go. We even learned how to do CPR. Greater Manchester Water Rescue Service were there to show us all their gadgets they have underwater imaging devices linked to a computer and lifeboat which they let us sit in.
Thank you for